Hi everyone, I'm just making a quick video. I've had a few students tell me that during the Zoom sessions, they feel kind of isolated from the Blausen book because I'm controlling what you're seeing and you're not able to take notes or move around in the book as you would like to during the discussion. Here is the way I would suggest you set up your screen. You can have two things open on your screen. So on the left-hand side, I have the Zoom session, and you can imagine that I'm speaking or talking or moving through the book. On the right-hand side, I have my copy of the book open. You could do the same. That way you could be scrolling through your Blausen book, and you could be answering questions, taking notes. I wouldn't recommend watching videos while we're in Zoom, but you could even go down to the ends of each section, right? You could be typing in answers to questions, or you could be, while we're going, remember at the end of every section, there's a place for notes. So you could actually be, typing in some notes that you're picking up, or some ideas that you're picking up during lecture. So I just want to make sure that you're aware that you can easily do this on your screen. Just make a split screen presentation and have half be the Zoom presentation and the other half be your own book. That way you can be fully integrating and multitasking, if you will, right? While we are in class session together. I'll try to post this, and hopefully this gives you a good idea on how to participate more fully in the discussion sessions. See you soon.